Let's make this 3D effect. First, add solid color. Choose any background color you like. Type text. Right-click text layer and convert to Smart Object. Now press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer, drag down copy layer. Now press Ctrl+G to make a group, double-click layer right side to open this menu, color overlay. Choose any color. Now press Alt plus down arrow button one time, now hold Alt plus right arrow button 2-3 seconds. Here's the trick, double-click to this layer thumbnail. Now change your text. Boom, now you don't need to waste time to do it again, save for later.